about God. There is evidence to show there was that a time, however, in the remote past, when people of almost every major religion in the world believed that God is Jyoti Bindu, an eternal self-luminous point-like entity. The tradition, the ancient lore, the sacred monuments, and some scriptural texts refer to this radiant form of God. For example, Christ also said that God is kindly light. It is noteworthy that some Buddhists in Japan practice concentration on this form. They call it Chinkonseki, meaning one who gives space. In Makkah, the second most pilgrimage of Muslims, there is a symbolic black stone having this form, and it is a tradition among the Mohammedans to touch it or to kiss it from a distance to signify their love and reverence for God. They call this stone as Sang-e-Ashwat. And Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, and Gobind Singh, another famous Sikh preceptor, also believed God as light. In the Old Testament also, it is mentioned that Moses had a vision of this form of God near the bush on the mount. All these facts point out that once upon a time, founders and followers of almost every religion believed that God was of this form. In India, for example, people in large numbers still go to Amarnath, a famous temple in which snow takes the oval form every year. Again, millions of people still hold the belief that Sri Krishna, the famous deity, regarded God as Shiva, the divine light point, as the supreme being, and the Gopeshwaram temple in Vrindavan is a testimony to this fact. The Somnath temple, which is supposed to have been installed by the well-known king Vikramaditya and which finds special mention in the history, also enshrines a symbol of this form of God. Again, Rama, another historical figure, widely worshipped in India, is believed to have paid homage to Shiva in Rameshwaram, and the temple there is said to be the witness of this fact. Let us tell one and all that God, the Supreme Soul, does exist. All of us can have perception, experience or vision of Him. Yoga is the way for the extrasensory perception or God realization. Yoga means focusing the mind on God, the transcendental, microstar-like consigned variety who is related to us as our spiritual mother-father. This linking of our mind to God will bring you bliss, peace, might, etc., which also will be a proof of God's existence, just as the flow of water from a tank full of water at a higher level to the tank at lower level serves as a proof that the former has water.